Ngayong araw mga ka-J, nandito pala tayo sa Sikatan Cafe na matatagpuan dito lamang yan sa Binangonan, Rizal. 1 oras at kalahati lang naman binyahe namin para makarating dito from Manila. Napakaganda ng lugar, talagang makakapag-relax ka. Marami pang mga gandang view na makikita sa lugar na ito. Kaya't samahan niyo akong tuklasin at libutin ang place na ito. Let's go!
Like the first rain after a long dry day. No church bells, no preacher's words, just the loudest truth I've ever heard. Holy, when the night feels endless wide and the stars come burning through the sky. In this moment's light, every heart beats a hallelujah high. Oh, it's holy. Red clay dust in a firefly glow. Every mile deeper, the less I know. But I don't need answers. The stars come burning through the sky. Hold me in this moment's light. Every heart beats a high.